Hey team, this is Brian 890. I'm here with Mr. Serafini's existing 80% efficiency unit. We'll be upgrading to a 90% efficiency unit. We'll be reusing this jet right here. We'll be reinstalling it up there so we can fit a slightly wider unit in and also accommodate his April Air Infinity Air Purifier. So yeah, we're running into a little bit of a spatial concern here with this water heater. So the new unit will be a little bit wider too. So I spoke with Terry Boyce. He said that, reusing this right here we'll be able to make everything better. And that April Air Purifier is a little bit thinner than his current unit too. So we'll have plenty of space here. So we'll be running the PVC line across here into that wall right there per the homeowner. It's a normal access point, normal sized door, stairwell with plenty of space. 890 out.